Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, Flowchart Logic. The program begins by declaring variables for x, y, z, is printed, and max. Is printed is initially set to 0 to track whether a value has been printed later in the program. The scamp function is used to read three integer values, x, y, and z, from the user. The code determines the maximum value among x and y and assigns it to the variable max. A while loop is initiated with val starting at 2 and continuing until val reaches the value of max. Inside the loop, the code checks whether x and y are divisible by val and whether z is not divisible by val. If these conditions are met, val is printed, and is printed is set to 1. After the loop, the program checks if any value has been printed, is printed equals 0. Check if any value has been printed, if not, print -1. Finally, the program returns 0, indicating successful execution. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.